Guys, how's it going? Just wanted to make a video on Bitcoin today because I actually just started. I talked about this head and shoulders pattern, and I talked about how I'm actually scaling in right now back into my Bitcoin position. I'm finalizing it for this next run, so I wanted to make a video today. Before I continue, it's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence before researching any types of cryptos. Um, Past performance is not an indicator of future performance, and everything here is strictly my opinion. I'm just kind of this is like my trading journal. So all right, just to dive into it. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out. The link's below. Um, just pop open the tab, save it, and then you can watch it after. But I talked about up here how one potential scenario that I was entertaining was we saw a head and shoulders pattern. And with this head and shoulders pattern, the amplitude, if it was to play out, and it looks like it is right now because, we made that video at the top. Oh shit, this is a log scale. All right, that looks a lot better. All right, so we made this around here and we talked about, breaking out this channel. We'd go down, and if we start rising up from here, I think we could even go to like 8,000. But when we start rising up from here, I think that's going to be confirmation that this is like a very, textbook head and shoulders pattern. And the amplitude, when you measure how high this move could potentially go, it's 14,000. So like that would put us right at all-time highs from 2019. And I think that we're going to start seeing that pre-halvening run up to 20 to 30,000. It depends where we're at what time of the year. If it's like July time when we start topping out, then we'll probably be around 30,000. And if it happens sooner, then the price will be a lot lower. Like if we see the top in like May or June, then it'd probably be around 20,000. If you hear any noises or barking, I apologize. I actually just got a dog yesterday, so I got a little pup right now running around the house, so pretty excited about that. But anyways, yeah, so like, I was waiting to really just knife catch this head and shoulders at the bottom, and I think right now we're kind of seeing what we saw right here before it just started rising, and I think we may start, shooting up now. And I took the time to like kind of scale into all my alts and all my Bitcoin right around here, because I'd been playing this range. I scaled in at 85, sold it at 9, didn't like what I was seeing, and now, that's all posted on my Twitter. But now I think it's time to like really start thinking about, if you're a long-term hodler, now's the time you want to start buying. And I think I think if we start moving up, then yeah, this head and shoulders pattern is pretty clear, and this is probably going to be a major low for 2020. I don't think we're going to see these prices again. So, that's just my opinion. I definitely recommend kind of locking in your positions if you haven't. If you're waiting to buy a dip, I mean, I'm doing it right now. So, um, I mean, I think like, the price goes down so much, it kind of makes sense. I mean, you could wait for like 75, 78, but does it really matter once you're at like 20, 30,000? Not really. But yeah, I just wanted to make that video because I think we're kind of starting to see a capitulation right now. And I think over the next few days, few weeks, we're going to have a sharp rise back up. So I'm definitely looking forward to kind of catching that. And yeah, it looks like we're breaking lower, and this is just great, man. Yeah, like I'm just going to be buying more and more and more. So yeah, this is fantastic. Oh wow. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna wrap up the video now, and I'm gonna look for even more entries. So this is great. Um, but anyways, you guys have a great week, and there'll be more videos coming out soon now. I think things are starting to get interesting. We're gonna do the next video. We're gonna look at the log scale, so definitely pay attention to that. And all right, you guys have a good one, and see you next time.